So 4 years at the Centum Group.
Yes.
With 4 positions.
Yes.
So that's a lot of change.
Yes, it's a lot of change, and the way I look at it, Centum is a very dynamic organization. Dynamic organizations are faced with different problems, and therefore they require very dynamic solutions. So as a person, if you come to the organization, you need to be very flexible, as I call it. You could be an engineer, but you could be doing accounts one day, and that's not a bad thing. It's a learning experience, and it's something you can apply yourself and be very good at. So that's how I see those 4 different years. They've been different experiences, and they've made me who I am today, and I wouldn't take any of them away from me.
Yeah.
Yes.
So let me just pick 2 of them.
Yes.
So you've been involved at Nabo Capital, investing across Africa.
Yes.
You've also been involved in, literally building up the 2 Rivers Mall that we know today.
Yes. Yes.
How has it been from a personal point of view?
Well, first, I'm very grateful to God for this very opportunity, because the one thing I've been very grateful for is to be surrounded by people who are good mentors and teachers. None of these things are things I was born knowing how to do. And the organization has put people there who have been able to guide me, both at Nabo and both at Group. I would say you require people who are not only able to teach others, but you also need to be willing to learn as a person. So for me, that has been my core belief, that I am not an expert, and I am coming here to learn. And having learned, I believe you then apply these lessons. So for me, that's my key message across these 4 years. One, you will always learn something, and when you do, you must really apply it, and therefore be known to be the expert in said matters. Yes.
Yeah.